We've got a new alert.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern McLean County in central Oklahoma, northwestern Pontotoc County in east central Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:17 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Purcell, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Purcell, Slaughterville, Lexington, Wayne, Washington, Asher, Gwinnett, Byers, St. Louis, Rosedale, and Trousdale. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 80 to 97. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement. At 9:12 a.m. Central.
That surprised me. First warning of 2016 for me. For Oklahoma, actually. Well, like in central Oklahoma.